Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix iPhone lagging problem after iOS 17 update. So guys, if you have downloaded and installed the latest version of iOS 17 in your device and your phone is lagging and freezing, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to watch this video till the end. So the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply close all the apps in your device and you have to refresh your device. So guys, from here slide up and from here close all the apps from your device. So I simply close all the tabs, and after this you have to turn off your iPhone for 1 minute or 2 minutes. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until the slider appears. So I simply turn off your iPhone for 5 to 6 minutes, and after this turn on your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you have to check your storage if it is full. So I tap on settings and from here tap on general and from here tap on iPhone storage and check if the storage is full. And if the storage is full, then you have to delete all those apps which are useless. So I simply delete the apps that are useless for you, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.